Sugar production in the United States is a very important part of the economy. Every year, nearly 1 million acres of farmland in the U.S. is used for growing sugar cane. That's an area larger than the state of Rhode Island. But it has some environmental downsides.
Well, with American BioCarbon, we're trying to take advantage of an opportunity and solve a problem at the same time.
The problem is that sugar production creates significant organic waste that is difficult and costly to dispose of. After the harvest, much of the plant waste left in the fields is burned.
So we have an area the size of the state of Rhode Island that's set afire every year after that harvest. And that creates smoke, it creates greenhouse gases, creates a lot of particulates in the air.
Equally important, the milling process creates hundreds of thousands of tons of bagasse waste every year.
Bagasse is the leftover from the sugar processing plant. When they squeeze out the sugar, bagasse fibers left over. Because it's a grassy waste, it's bulky. It's pretty common when you go by a sugar mill to see big piles of bagasse out in the yard because it costs them literally millions of dollars a year to dispose.
At American BioCarbon, we process that bagasse into 3 environmentally beneficial products. Biofuel pellets.
There's a large demand for fuel for power plants as we convert from coal to renewable fuels. We take the bagasse, we sort it, we make it into pellets that are used as fuel. They replace coal in the electrical energy production chain, but they're also enable us to replace solid wood pellets. We're manufacturing right at the sugar mill, right where the bagasse is produced, which enables us to go to the marketplace with a significantly lower carbon footprint than even a wood pellet, which is itself much better than coal. And every year there's a new bagasse product coming out of these sugar mills. We don't have to go out and find a new stand of forest that took 20, 30, 40 years to grow. We can leave the forest where it is and we use an agricultural waste.
American BioCarbon produces 100,000 tons of biofuel pellets annually. That is enough fuel to heat 50,000 homes for a year. And these pellets significantly outperform the European Union's emissions requirements for energy generation, making them an ideal alternative to coal. All from an agricultural waste product. Absorbent pellets. The grassy structure of bagasse makes it excellent at absorbing liquid. This creates opportunities to dispose of liquid industrial waste in an environmentally friendly way.
There's a need to absorb liquid waste efficiently and in an environmentally positive way. You don't want to put waste in a landfill that's moist and that'll run down the landfill. You want it to be stable.
Most absorbent materials used in liquid waste disposal today absorb roughly their weight in water. But our bagasse pellets can absorb at least 4 times their weight.
So it's just a much better technical solution because it absorbs a lot more water for the physical amount and the dollar amount that you have to put into that absorption.
Biochar.
At the same time as we're producing these pellets from the cane, we also split off a stream and we thermally process it to turn it into biochar. Biochar is a product that has a lot of intricacies in it because of the cellular structure of sugarcane. That material we then are able to spread on any type of farming field, which improves the water retention in the soil. When you retain water better, you retain fertilizer better. When you retain water better, it allows a plant steadier growth through different weather conditions.
The process of creating biochar also captures the carbon in the bagasse in a solid form. When biochar is spread on the fields, that solid carbon is permanently sequestered in the soil. The gas that's left to slowly decompose releases all that carbon into the atmosphere as carbon dioxide. Creating biochar reduces greenhouse gases and increases the quality of the agriculture. Better plants means a more productive sugar mill. And that means more waste material for American biocarbon to convert into sustainable, low-emission products.
In order to make 100,000 tons of pellets and 50,000 tons of biochar, which we're making, we're actually consuming about 400,000 tons a year of bagasse waste. That's just one sugar mill. This process is capable of co-locating with any sugar mill anywhere in the world. It's a great sustainability story, and it's an important part of how we build up a renewable, sustainable energy supply chain globally.
American BioCarbon.